Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Sasol opens its new 3.5 billion rand coal shaft in Mpumalanga. Goldfields says a higher gold price is needed to sustain mining, and Eskom calls for urgent guidance on its role in the energy plan. Fuel from coal producer Sasol Mining's new 3.5 billion rand Tubalisha shaft at the Twist Dry Colliery in Mpumalanga was officially opened in mid-May by Mineral Resources Minister Susan Shabangu.
There can be no doubt of the critical role coal will continue to play in our country's energy landscape, long into our nation's future. With our other government departments, we're looking forward to working with yourselves in partnership in making sure that coal continue to be positive and contribute towards our socio-economic development.
Goldfields CEO says gold will need a higher price to sustain mine production, but he expects a lot more bad news coming through across the world, which would bode well for gold.
Gold is actually in scarce supply. People are struggling to get gold. China and India are the biggest buyers of gold. Gold is a strong value investment in China. Gold only makes up around 1% of global investment portfolios. People who want preservation of capital surely are going to invest some of their money into gold. I think that you're going to see a lot more bad news coming through across the world, and that should bode well for gold.
The head of state-owned power utility Eskom has called for urgent guidance from Energy Minister Peters on the implementation of South Africa's integrated resource plan for electricity, including the role that Eskom will play in the execution of the plan, which runs from 2010 to 2030.
We look forward to the guidance from the Minister of Energy as we now deal with the implementation of the full IRP 2010, including the role that Eskom will play in the execution of this plan. For the first time, we have a roadmap for investment in the electricity supply industry up to 2030.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.